So new class, perfect. Okay, so what is this perfect number? Perfect number simply means we have to,
Addition of factors.
yes, we have to find addition of factors. So let us see how to do this. If addition of factors excluding number itself is equal to original number, then it is perfect number. So I am taking scanner, import java.util.scanner, class perfect. I am taking main. Now first and foremost thing, I will ask user to enter a number, and for that I need scanner. So scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in integer number. I will ask user a question, system.out.println, enter number. So num is equals to sc.next in. So user has entered the number, whatever number is there. Now I need to find out the factors of the number, and then I have to add these factors in variable sum. So I am taking another variable sum which is initially 0. Now how to find factors of a number? Very simple. I will run a loop for I equal to 1. I is less than num. Less than num means num will not come into the picture. It will stop before num, I plus plus. How to check if a number is getting divided by the other number or not? Very simple. I will check if num mod I equal to 0. If I do this, that means if this condition is true, then I becomes factor of that number. For example, suppose my number is 28. So 28 mod 1. Yes, is it perfectly divisible by 1? So 1 becomes a factor. So if it is a factor, I am adding that factor with sum, which is initially 0. And then what I will do? I will store my result back to sum. Once this is done, okay. And then we move on and on and on to check all the factors. In the end, at the end of this loop, I will be having sum of all the factors. But what is perfect number definition? It says your original number and sum of all the factors is same, then it is a perfect number. So I am checking if sum is equal to original number or not. If is it so, I will simply write system.out.println num is perfect number. Otherwise I will write system.out.println num is not perfect number. This is the end of my program. When I compile, it says some error. What is the error? Variable I is not declared. So I am declaring variable I. Again compiling the program, and it says no syntax error. Then I will run this program. Perfect. Void main. Number 28. Enter. 28 is a perfect number. How? Because the factors are 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14. when I add 1, 2, 4, 7 and 14, I will be getting 28 back. Let us try with some other numbers. Say 10. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. When I add 1, 2 and 5, my answer is 8. It is not a 10. So 10 is not a perfect number. Understood?